Mexico!
So, hello. We gotta rip the front diff out, fix it. We're having an issue with it at the track. We didn't do too bad for first time out. We've never tested the truck before. We didn't really get a chance to. We had the Q30 spot, but no car to take, so we took the Sierra untested, which is fine, you know. We're on it for doing stuff last minute. Anyways, fast forward to the event. We kept turning it up, and something happened in the front diff, so I gotta rip it apart, fix it. I have another spare diff that I went and picked up yesterday from our friend. Gotta at least swap out the X-Link adapter for the throttle body. That's what was giving us the limp mode issue. That day, the tune-up was spot on. It was cold that day, so I was worried. My concern was leaning out with the cold weather, but before we got there, I added 6% fueling to the whole fuel table, and it took it just fine. Basically, what I'm saying, long story short, is we gotta put this thing back together and go back out there and turn it up all the way. That 1050 pass wasn't all the way, you know, in it. We had not that much boost in it, so next time out we'll be turning it up 25-30 pounds. But the rest of the truck did great. The only issue right now is getting this thing out of here and torn apart, putting the new guts in it, and go from there. Stay tight.
What is that?
Showed up. Is the more exploding?
I don't know. People try to prank us, but they haven't been successful. It's a hard thing.
Oh, never mind. It's my magnet. I forgot I ordered this.
Look at this idiot.
Preston.
Name him Levi.
Oh.
That's the face you make whenever you edit.
That's his O face.
I thought somebody was trying to prank us again. I got scared for a minute.
Yeah, somebody sent us a glitter bomb, but I know a thing or two because I've seen a thing or two, and I've also sent a thing or two. So congrats on wasting your money, Adam. You're not gonna get me.
Wow.
Oh, shoot.
The other case was pretty bad. We had to make one case out of two. We don't want to bore out with that process, but we're about to test this one out and see that we have full-wheel drive and kind of just go from there.
Jesus Christ, dude. That's the best movie ever.
It took off.
Yeah.
Dude, the front was spinning too.
That's fucking sick. Make sure nothing shifted. The buckle for one of the straps is like really close to one of the CVs, and it's actually rubbing it. We're just going to tackle it so it stays in place and away from the CV axle. Hopefully that fixes that. And we got some water coming out of here. We're going to see what the hell that is. I got to swap out the alternator too because it was dropping voltage on the track. Get those things knocked out and we'll go back out and test it again. Work's not done yet, but we'll get back to y'all.
I want first lane.
Alright, pick your card.
I want Mario.
Nah, Mario's mine.
Actually, put me in 3.
Baby!
I was gonna get one of these and start betting people with money.
I can already see you an angel
Like
fight.
that drag strip. One more time. 2 out of 3.
Come on, baby! Yeah!
What's up, bitch?
We got hustled. Well, it has the fucking traps.
Yeah, the traps are on. So whenever they hit random, like it.
Oh.
So it just slows them down. Like in the game. They hit a banana.
2 out of 3, baby.
Pay up. 500. Hung man. Curve to the left like mine. Alright, 2 words.
A.
1A.
I eat ass.
No.
C.
No C's.
L.
No L's.
R.
1 R.
That's pussy fart.
Yes!
No way!
Yeah.
Hell yeah! I'm fucking great at this!
Oh, why'd you leave us? Take Richard instead.
Alright. Para Vicente.
Vicente.
To our non-Hispanic viewers, Vicente Fernandez passed away last Sunday morning. A Mexican national treasure, if you will.
That it's too cold to wrap it, but you only did the cell panel.
Color looks actually pretty nice.
Yeah, the vinyl won't stretch how it needs to. It's ripping.
Stretch me out, daddy.
That's the color.
It is pearl.
Yeah, satin pearl.
You want a pearl necklace?
Get the fuck away from me. Go on, satin
So
fucking
fucking
pearl.
gross.
That hurt my thighs doing that. Trying to shoot a long distance pearl necklace and like cramped out. So we gotta draw random. Well, before we draw, who's your pick?
I'm gonna say, well, I think we know that the black Yoshi
From our
is the
previous
fastest.
test, we think we know.
It's between the black Yoshi and Waluigi.
I don't know, this new Mario could be pretty quick. Diddy's pretty quick. Let's see. This is why we race. So who's your official pick?
Diddy.
Diddy?
Yeah.
I like Black Yoshi or Mario.
It's the easy route though.
Yeah. We've had
I
some
like to
underdogs.
vote for the underdog.
So who's the first race?
Black Yoshi. Oh my, and K&N truck.
K&N truck has won before. We just haven't filmed it. We do lanes 2 and 4 just to kind of make it even. Bro, that fucking Yoshi just fast. Jesus. Yoshi's moving on. King Boo and Blue Yoshi. Oof, that was closer. Next 2.
Bowser and Toad.
That'll be a good one. Toad is just not having a good day. Right? Ooh.
Mario and Luigi.
Besties against each other. Ooh, it looked like Luigi had it, but around that turn, Mario got it. Jesus. Our final 2, Diddy and Luigi.
Waluigi.
This could be a close match. Like, this could have easily been the finals if it would have been paired differently. No! Wow. Diddy didn't make it. So we need one more car for the next bracket.
Can we race
Oh, we can race
the
all
losers
of them. Yeah, we can
together
race
to see
all
which
the
one makes
losers
it?
to see who's gonna make it to the second chance bracket. Any guesses? You going with Diddy? See if he can pull one out?
I hope.
Give me power. I'm like, why isn't this bitch starting?
It's back.
Yes, sirree. Okay.
Yeah.
No way, that's a target topper. Bro. This is the downside to the job. Having to talk to customers in between, trying to do something. So let me go finish that up.
Oh yeah, bud.
Yeah, but that's a little too hard, eh?
You'd think I would be more excited. I think I am. We did a bunch. We talked about everything that we were gonna do, and we did it. I did it.
You gonna see what it makes first thing in the
See what
morning?
it does? Yeah. Not that one. What? You just tried that $100.
And we say bye-bye. I say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Murder fucking works, man. It feels really loose. Like, just sitting there. You can just fucking, it revs up fucking. Bang, bang. I'm like, what the fuck? I've
know?
never had one that
Look,
way.
it comes apart. So Brian's gonna make us take it apart at the track and fucking put it back in.
Oh, wait till I put on the 2-step, bro. You'd be like, holy shit.
Trying to find a workaround for the shifter.
So it is a ground activation.
Wait, what's it doing?
It's showing that it's sending signals, so that's the same thing I was having issues with over there. It's showing that it's sending the signal, but it's not actually sending the signal.
Pull the dash off. Let's see.
That's
also?
The super duper expensive boost controller is having issues. It's supposed to be able to control a ground output to a relay that triggers the shift solenoid on the shifter, so Brian doesn't have to manually shift it going down the track.
You know what, I'm not really a fan of the Powerglide setup. Can we just put the 6R80 back in it? Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video. Sorry it's not a little bit longer. We are actually headed to the track tonight. It'll be our first couple test passes with the new bolt together converter from Circle D and the Powerglide transmission in the Mustang. We've made some small changes here and there, so hopefully they work out, and that should be in the next video. Stay tuned.
You boys like Mexico?
Sorry, we're over here practicing for in-run.